I mean, what did I just say? Hi you guys, it's me, Camilla, and today we're gonna be doing a Lego set review, and actually I already have it built for you guys. Let's get into the Lego set. So this is a Lego set of a horse, I guess, a horse set, and it costs $4 and it's from Lego Friends. So I'm gonna get my Lego set right now, and I'll be right there with you guys. Here we have the Lego set, and there's a horse right here, and this is the shelter, and it looks like this has like a little water hose thing, the little ones. So look, and I really like it too. And there's a brush right here to brush the horse's hair. And hold on, let me just put it inside there. We have a bottle for the horse. I guess she's a baby. I'll call her a she because I want her to be a female. So here we have the bottle and the brush. So they connect to this side right here where there's two little things so you can connect it. And the horse, let's take a look with the horse. Let's put the other stuff. Oh my gosh, this piece just fell. Okay, let's take these inside. Here we look at the horse. Look, it has black eyes, and he's brown. He has a brown tail and some brown hair right here. And he's like brown. Everything is brown and has black eyes. A Lego friend girl could like stand here on the horse. That's not a good idea. But the Lego Friends girl cannot sit. Like not set like regular Legos. Lego people. So let me see if I have my Olivia right here because I'm not. I think I put it on my bag of toys. I have more bags of toys, but so I put them. Oops, I don't have her. Let's check here. Nope, she's not here. But you could like just stand a figure here, and then you could write it. Here goes the horse. So let's brush its hair and give it milk. Okay, so this is a little, I don't know thing, but it's really cool. I guess you could wash his hair right here, and then right here you just turn on the hosting and wash his hair like this. And this is really cool because from right here it opens so the horse could come in, and it has a lot of details. Even if it didn't come with stickers, it still has a lot of details. And the horse could come in, turn, and just be there, and then close the door. And it's really cool because I like it. And so yeah. So here we have this right here, and then let me just put my brush back where it was. And then a Lego piece fell, so I have to pick it right up. And let's put this Lego piece back up. The leaf are good too. Hold on, I put it backwards. So here we have it. Yeah, we fixed it. And this is how it looks, just like the picture one. Look. And you could get, I want to get this Frozen one. It's a Frozen Lego set. Like, it's right here, right there. And there's Elsa and Anna. I really want to get it. And there's Rapunzel, Cinderella, Beauty King. I don't know what's her name, but I forgot. She has a pink dress. Jasmine and Little Mermaid. See? That's the one that I don't know what's her name. I forgot. I think it's Sleeping Beauty. Yeah, I think it's Sleeping Beauty. So that's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. And please check out our, well, this is my first video, so you don't have to check out nothing, but please comment down below what should I do for my next video. And please subscribe, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Do, 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 do.